I heard your voice. You were crying, crying, you were so alone. You said your love had never died. You were waiting for me at home. I put on my jacket, I ran through the woods. I ran till I thought my chest would explode. There in the clearing, beyond the highway, in the moonlight, our wedding house shone. I rushed through the yard, I burst through the front door, my head pounding hard. Up the stairs I climbed, the room was dark, our bed was empty. Then I heard that long whistle whine, and I dropped to my knees, hung my head and cried. Now I swing a sledgehammer on the railroad down, knocking down cross towers into the rain. Don't feel like you're out on the long trail. Cigarette, I'll get a drink. I turn the radio way up loud, so I don't have to think. And I take it to the floor, looking for a moment when the world seems right. And I tear into the guts of something in the night. When you're born with nothing and better off that way. Soon as you got something to say, someone to try and take it away. You can ride this road of dawn. wasted on something. They were crushed and dying in the dirt. We tried to pick up the pieces and get away without getting hurt. Yeah, but they caught us at the state line. We got burned one last fight. They left us running, burning the line, chasing something in the night.